I'm Michael Holzmeister. I'm the route manager with Arbor-Nomics Turf here in Marietta, Georgia. And I am on a new lawn. This is the result of a renovation that was done late last year and early this year. Today is April 28th, and this is a fescue lawn, and it's about as beautiful as it can get. This is a result of a thorough renovation. This was weeds and bare dirt and needed a lot of help, and it got a lot of help. They hired Team Turf, a landscaping company we do a lot of work with, and they came in and prepared the soil, tilled it up, put in amendments, got it fertilized, got it squared away, and then they put the sod down. And once it got established, that's when Arbor-Nomics starts to play its role. And we put down a good amount of fertilizer at the right time and herbicide to control any weeds, and that the combination of that produced this grass. A lot of people think, hey, I just need an aeration and overseeding and I'll get results like this. No, this is a result of a considerable investment of energy and time and money to get something like this. But it is completely possible. Get a good landscaper to prepare the soil, lay the sod well, and then have us do what we do, and you can get results like this on your property.